In February 2017, will Donald Trump make you money? We'll take a look. We're going to try something a little different on the Investment Advisor this segment. We're going to talk about the economic policies of Donald Trump. We've discussed it before, but it's an evolving story and one you're watching closely, I'm sure. There are two kinds of people in the world: people that like Trump, people that don't like Trump. The people that like Trump think he's got a lot of ideas, his economic policies will work, my stock portfolio, because of Trump, will go up. Now there's another group, and they're very vociferous, and they hate Trump. I don't need to tell you. You see him on TV, you read him on the newspaper. They don't like Trump. They don't like his ideas. They don't like the people he appoints to office. We're not a political show here. We're an investment advisory show. We talk about what's best for your stock portfolio in this market. And right now in this market, whether we like it or not, Trump's a player. He's important. He's president of the United States. He's making appointments, such as his cabinet, where there are many billionaires in the office. And that affects your stock portfolio. When he builds a wall with Mexico, that shuts off an important international boundary for trade, for other things. So the question is, can Trump, as your investment advisor, make you money? Now, if you don't like Trump, maybe you like making money, and if you can learn from his mistakes as you perceive them, good for you and maybe good for your stock portfolio. What do I think of Trump and his early economic performance? It's very isolationist. You have to keep it in mind. He's going to knock down free trade. He's an isolationist. He's a protectionist. He's William McKinley, who in the late 19th century as the US president believed in a high tariff. He's a tariff man, Trump. So keep that in mind. You don't want to own companies necessarily during Trump's first 2 years in office that depend on free trade with Canada, with Mexico, with Latin America. Those are going to be cut off. Same about the Middle East. He's very protectionist about American borders as he perceives them with the Middle East. So oil companies, yes, he's friendly to big oil. At the same time, big oil comes out of countries, Saudi Arabia, amongst many others in the Middle East, important for the United States. Those companies will not be able to trade as freely with the United States as it has in the past. He's more for creating jobs in the United States, building the Keystone Pipeline, some of the others, through those Indian reservations in the Dakotas. You may not like that politically. That will probably mean, I would say, lower gas prices, more gas in the U.S. market. So keep that in mind if you're buying an energy company during the Trump era. It could be, prices will probably come down as there's more ability to deliver fossil fuels to the market. Overall, will Trump's rally continue? I think it's going to reach a point where it can't continue. It's had a long run here. Keep that in mind as you're weighing, should I buy, should I sell? There's been a kind of a bubble around Trump, both politically and economically. You don't want to be caught long the bubble. Whether you like him or you don't, what you do like is that your stock portfolio remains healthy. So approach everything with an open mind, turn off the TV, turn down those headlines on the newspaper, look at the numbers, don't look at the headlines, look at the numbers on your stock portfolio. If you own a stock, and we've looked at Amazon on this program, that's $850, and you think, I've doubled my money, I've done well, maybe I'll sit on the sidelines for a little bit. Nobody ever went broke taking a profit. It's all the time we have this week on the Investment Advisor. I'm your host, Matthew Stevenson, in partnership with Dukascopy TV. Remember, money can take care of you, cannot take care of itself.